And welcome back to Whiteboard Gematria. I'm your host Alice, and let's get to it. They've been completely busted, exposed, and have had to change and back up and go into repair mode because we have caught them. And when I say we, I'm talking about me, you, and everybody involved at getting this information out. So, good job, everybody. Let's keep tearing at the beast. Now, when we take the word Kobe, to understand his association, take the word COVID and put it into the English to Hebrew translator as we're exploring the Hebrew Messiah. Copy the word given to us and put it back into the Hebrew and allow it to translate it back into English, and we get Kobe. That's right, the coronavirus is literally the name Kobe. And today. And now, when you take the word COVID and you put it into the Hebrew and capture all of that, take it back over to the Hebrew, to English, and we paste that in, we get COVID. They got caught, they changed it, busted, this is completely fake, fabricated, and Google completely in on it. Where we are, I hope this finds you well. God bless.